Good afternoon, children. Welcome once again to the online class of mathematics. Our today's topic is three-digit numbers on the abacus. Children, as you can all see that this is an abacus. Abacus has three spikes showing O ones, T tens and H hundreds respectively, each having some beads. Now let us understand with the help of an example. Here we have HTO. There are 4 beads in hundreds column. It means 400. Spike T has 3 beads, which means 3 ones, and spike O has 2 beads, which means 2 ones. Therefore, the number is 432 and its number name is written as 432 as you can see in the picture below. Now let us take another example. Here the spike H has 1 bead means 100. Spike T has 2 beads means 2 tens and spike 1 has 1 bead which means 1 ones. Therefore the number is 121 and its number name is also written below as 121. Now our next topic is the place value and face value. But before we start, let us first understand what is place value and face value. Place value is the value of a digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds, etc. Let us take an example. Here we will take number 605 and put the numbers in a place value table. Here 6 is in hundreds place, we will put it in hundreds column. 0 is in tens place, so we will put it in tens column, and 5 is in ones place, so we will put it in ones column. Now coming to the place value, see in the next column 6 is in hundreds place and we'll multiply it with 100 and the answer is 600. 0 is in tens column, we will multiply it by 10 and the answer is 0 as any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And 5 is in ones place, so we will multiply it by 1 and the answer is 5. Now the place value of 605, the place value of 6 is 600, the place value of 0 is 0 and the place value of 5 is 5. Now coming to the face value. Children, always remember that the face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. We'll try to understand face value with the help of an example. Here we will arrange number 890 in a place value table. 8 is in hundreds place, so we'll write it in hundreds column. 9 in tens place, so 9 will write in tens column, and 0 is in ones place, so we will write 0 in ones column. Now coming to the face value. Children, as you all know that face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. So here the face value of 8 is 8, the face value of 9 is 9 and the face value of 0 is 0. Now coming to the expanded form. Children, expanded form means when the numbers are separated into individual place values. Here we have a number 358 which is in a standard form. Now we have to write this number in an expanded form. First let us see that 8 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place and 3 is in hundreds place. Now 8 is in ones place, so we will write 8. 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50 and 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300. Now the expanded form of 358 is 300 plus 50 plus 8. Now we will write this number 417 in an expanded form. Here 7 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place and 4 is in hundreds place. So the expanded form of 417 will be 400 plus 10 plus 7. Similarly, coming to the short form, When we add the expanded number, we get the short form. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Here we have the numbers 900 plus 80 plus 4 in expanded form. When we'll add this number, we'll get the short form 984. 400 plus 20 plus 0 when added gives the short form 420. 600 plus 0 plus 1 when added will give the short form 601. So children, with this we end our today's topic. Meet you in the next class. Till then, keep going and keep growing.